I actually saw an employee of the innovation space, Sima, in the Albert Heijn. There we constructed the story that we wanted a place where we could express ourselves and show our sympathy with the war that's currently going on. So from there I came up with a concept, and I even went as far as presenting it. The innovation space liked it, and I was able to make it real. Well, you get up the stairs in Matrix, and there you find this wall. You actually walk up to it and you see it. And when you're up here, you find a tablet where you can draw a small little heart.
The heart that I just drew should be on the TV canvas, so that you can actually see your heart that you drew, and then after that it will appear somewhere in the nice projection. When a lot of people draw hearts, then you will see hearts like all over the wall, and then they will actually mix together into white light.
And this white is a symbol of hope, a symbol of peace.
Which will create a very interesting effect because we have the beamers from different perspectives. I think it's going to get even more interesting as more people will join in to draw hearts.
Here is my team. We have Katja van Weert, our beautiful UX designer, and Frank Hartman, who she brought with her as her software developer, and that's the complete team.
I really hope that also makes them think about the people that they know that have some affiliation with the war, and that they go to those people and that they actually say like, okay, how can I help you? How are you doing? Or that they decide to donate a little bit more for the people in Ukraine over there.
Well, when the project started, I had the feeling that we didn't care enough. We didn't show enough that we cared. I felt less than optimal due to that situation.
Yeah, I think it was really nice to be able to set something up for our fellow students that are really having a hard time now with what's going on in the world.
Ik heb ze dus maandag ook gewoon voor het eerst gesproken. En nu staat er al een hele softwarepakket klaar. Ik ben echt heel erg onder de indruk van.
Was it okay working with me?
Yeah, it was fine. You did great actually, I think. It's gonna officially launch on Tuesday and it's gonna last for 4 weeks.